guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your trades app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on following and followers here. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you come here to pray follow with users joined threads, click here on. So like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.